Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video we will talk about how much does it cost to fix a dent in a car. Did you come back from shopping to find a dent in your car, or misjudge your space as you pulled into the garage? Whether it's a small or large dent, it can be unsightly and reduce your resale value. You may ask how much to fix a dent in car, or wonder if it's possible to do it yourself. Your price and dent remover method depend on a few factors, so explore your option before deciding how to get a dent out of car. The best way to get a dent out of car is schedule a visit with the collision center or auto or body shop. 10 technicians can actually save you money by removing the marks without damaging the paint or causing dust in the further in the future. However, there are many trick that you can find online if you are the type of person who like a challenge. How do auto technician remove a dent? To remove a dent, auto technicians start by cleaning off the surfaces and assessing the damage. This also helps them determine the dent repair cost. It may be less expensive to replace the part on your car than to remove the dent in some cases. Next, many auto repair shop use one of the following method: paintless dent repair. Technicians use special tools on the backside of the damaged panel to push out of the dent. This method is a delicate process as it attempt to fix the dent without harming the paint. Stud welder with a stud welder, a technique can place stud into dent and uses plier or a similar tool to pull the dent out. Once the mark is fixed, the stud are removed. Dent puller technique can use a large suction cup tool to pull a dent out. This tool is similar to do it yourself version, but industrial grade. Dolly and hammer auto teach place large pieces of metal against the car and use it while carving out the dent. Dent repair cost estimate your total dent remove cost and greatly depending on similar factor. Get a few made from different collision or auto body shop before making a decision like the cost to fix a stitch on a car. The prices of the dent repair differ according to size. Larger dent or involving other types of damage cost more than a small indentation. Dent location hard to reach. Dent high certain skill material or dent requiring removal of multiple parts may increase your dent repair cost. Depth in general, a shallow dent cost less than one, and that is medium to deep. Shallow repair may be easy for a die repair. Your location cost vary by city and state due to competition available of parts and hourly labor rates. If your facilities dealership tend to charge more than independent body shop. But this differ by location. Weekend model luxury car usually carry a higher prices, track car and repair less expensive brand.